Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel Behind the Tech. Guys, today I will show you how to download crack softwares for PC. So guys, let's start. Guys, first open your any browser and type getintopc.com in search bar. Then type the name of the software what you want to download. I will download WinRAR, so click on it. Then scroll down and click on download button. Wait few seconds. Then downloading is automatically started. If you don't know how to install any softwares on PC, you can get tutorials on this site.